The fleet has lost contact with the ground forces at New Gettysburg. General Minsk has ordered the immediate disengagement of the Korhal fleet from the Tarsonian system. Protoss and Zerg forces continue to battle across the core continent of Tarsonis. Receiving incoming transmission.
I can't believe he actually left her down there. I'm gone, and you better come with me. There's no telling who Arcturus will screw over next.
Receiving incoming transmission.
Gentlemen, you've done very well. But remember that we've still got a job to do. The seeds of a new empire have been sown, and if we hope to reap...
To hell with you!
You're making a terrible mistake. Don't even think to cross me. I have sacrificed too much to let this fall apart.
You mean like you sacrificed Kerrigan?
You'll regret that. You don't seem to realize my situation here. I will not be stopped. Not by you, or the Confederates, or the Protoss, or anyone. I will rule this sector, or see it burnt to ashes around me. If you try to get...
The fleet is prepped and ready, Commander. Awaiting orders.
The hell with him. We're gone.
It appears that General Duke has successfully activated Tarsonis' primary defensive weapon, the ion cannon. The cannon must be shut down if any escape attempt is to be made.
Commander, looks like we're on our own.
Yes, sir?
Anytime
Destination, moving!
Want to turn the lead. Slammer.
Rainer here.
Yeah? No problem.
Go ahead, Commander.
Your forces are under attack.
You got my attention. You got it. Let's burn.
SCV good to go, sir. I read you.
Anytime you're ready. This should be good.
What are you on? Identify target.
Fire it up.
Report for duty. SCV good to go, sir. I read you. Orders received. Orders, Captain? SCV good to go, sir.
Anytime you're ready. This should be good. Sounds fun. Right on.
SCV good to go, sir. Orders received. I read you. Report for duty.
Commander, fire it up. Slam it. Let's burn.
Commander, standing by. This is Jimmy.
SCV good to go, sir.
Standing by. Anytime you're ready. This should be good. Sounds fun. Oh, yeah.
Your forces are under attack.
SCV good to go, sir. Reporting for duty. Roger that. Orders received. Roger that. Right away, sir. Affirmative. Orders received. Orders, Captain? I can't build there. Yes, sir? Affirmative. Orders received.
Yes.
SCV good to go, sir.
Additional supply depots required.
Affirmative.
Rainer here.
Fire it up.
Job finished.
You got it.
Orders, sir.
Your forces are under attack.
Fire it up.
Job finished.
Standing by. Go, go, go. Let's move.
Yes, sir.
This is Jimmy.
Good to go, sir.
Commander, let's move.
Identify
This is Jimmy.
Report for duty. Report for duty. Affirmative. Orders received.
You want a
Yes,
piece
sir.
of me, boy?
Go ahead, Commander. This should be good.
Yeah. I dig. Identify target. Moving. SCV good to go,
Rainer
sir.
here.
Your forces are under attack.
SCV good to go, sir. Orders, Captain? I read you.
Go ahead, Commander.
Your forces are under attack.
Reporting for duty.
Anytime you're ready.
I'll read you, sir.
Standing by.
SCV good to go, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your forces are under attack.
I dig.
Orders, Captain? Roger that. Affirmative.
Go ahead, Commander. Give me some of
SCV
this
good to
shit.
go, sir.
No problem. Something on your mind?
Your forces are under attack.
Something on your mind?
I read you.
Commander. Go, go, go. Rock and roll.
Something on your
Your
mind?
forces are under
Jacked up
attack.
and good to go.
Yes, sir? SCV good to go, sir. I read you. Feel there.
You want a piece of me, boy? Jacked up and good to go. Go ahead, Commander. Commander. Go, go, go.
SCV good to go, sir. Orders, Captain?
You want a piece of
Orders
me, boy?
received.
This is Jimmy.
Yes, sir. Orders received. Affirmative. Job finished. Orders, Captain. Orders received.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Reporting for duty.
Standing by. Let's
SCV
move.
good to go, sir.
Anytime you're ready.
Yes, sir. Roger
Your
that.
forces are under attack.
Jacked up and good to go. Give me some of this shit.
Yeah?
Standing by.
SCV good to go, sir. Right away, sir. Job finished. Orders, Captain? I read you. Yes, sir. Job finished.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Yes, sir. I read you. SCV good to go, sir. Right away, sir. Job finished. I read you. Orders, Captain? Orders received. Job finished. Orders, Captain? Roger that. SCV good to go, sir. Orders, Captain? I read you. Orders, Captain?
Add-on complete.
I read you.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Right away, sir.
Rainer here.
Job finished. Yes, sir. Right away, sir. Orders received. Job reported for duty. Roger that.
Ready to roll out. Delighted to, sir.
Yes, sir.
Add-on
Job
complete.
Orders received.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Orders received. Orders, Captain.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Orders, sir.
Add-on
Yes, sir.
complete. Research
Orders,
complete.
Captain. Job finished. Orders, Captain. Roger
Orders,
that.
sir. All right. Bring it on. Target.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Job finished. Yes, sir. Right away, sir. Orders, Captain.
Ready to
Give me
roll
some of this
out.
shoot. Let's move.
I'll read you, sir. Orders, sir. What do you
Your
want?
forces are under insufficient Vespene gas.
Is destination? Identify target. Delighted to, sir. I'll read you, sir. Proceeding.
Job finished.
All right, bring it on. I'll read you, sir. Yeah, I'm going. Identify target. Delighted to, sir. Ready to roll out.
Orders, Captain. Right away, sir.
Bring it on. Destination. Proceeding.
This is Jimmy. Give me some of this shit.
Destination.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Bring it on. Yeah. Yes, sir. Identify destination. Proceeding. Absolutely. Move it. Orders, sir.
Job
Yes,
finished.
sir. Identify target.
Jacked up and good to go. Go, go, go. Outstanding.
Ready to
Your
roll
forces
out.
are under attack.
Yes, sir.
Standing by.
Bring it on! Delighted to, sir! Yes, sir! Moving! Yes, sir! Destination?
I read you.
You want a piece of me, boy?
I read you, sir. Yes, sir!
Reporting for duty. Orders received.
Bring it on!
Right away, sir.
What do you
Insufficient
want?
phosphine gas.
I dig. Identify something on your mind. Delighted to, sir. Moving.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Something on your mind. Ready to roll out.
Job finished.
Ready to roll out. Bring it on.
You want a piece
Something
of
on
me,
your mind.
boy?
Yes,
Insufficient
sir.
phosphine gas.
Absolutely. Orders, sir. Proceeding. Destination? Absolutely.
All right,
Bring it on.
standing by.
Yes, sir.
Commander,
Yeah. Ready to roll out. Orders, sir. Delighted to,
all
sir.
right.
Bring it on. Move it.
Your forces are under insufficient phosphine gas.
What do you want? Identify target.
Yes, sir. Roger that.
I read you, sir.
Piece of me, boy. Commander, go, go, go. Rock and roll.
Identify target.
Give me some of this shoot.
What do you want? Destination? Something on your mind? Yes, sir. Proceeding.
You want a piece of me,
Yes,
boy?
sir. Orders, sir.
Your forces
Ready
are
to roll
under
out.
attack.
Bring it on. Ready to roll out. Something on your mind? What do you want? Destination? All right. Bring it on. Orders, sir. Identify target. Delighted to, sir. Identify target. Ready to roll out. Absolutely. Move it. Orders, sir. Yes, sir. Orders, sir. Yes, sir. Destination. Identify target. Orders, sir.
I read you. Roger that.
Orders, sir. Yes, sir.
Your forces are
Destination.
under attack.
This is Jimmy. Right on. Oh, yeah.
Ready to roll out. Ready to roll out.
Your forces are under insufficient
Identify
phosphine
target.
gas.
Absolutely. Destination.
Reporting for duty.
What do you want? Oh, is that it? Orders, sir.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Destination.
Yes, sir.
What do you want? Identify target. Sir. Destination. Yes, sir. All right. Bring it on. Destination. Orders, sir. Delighted to, sir.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Absolutely. Orders, sir. Identify target. Something on your mind?
Jacked up and good to go.
Destination. Something on your mind? Yeah, I'm going.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Destination. Identify target. Moving. Proceeding. Orders, sir. Destination. Identify target. Orders, sir.
Jacked up and good to go.
Yeah? Oh, is that it?
Give me some of this shoot.
Destination.
Insufficient phosphine
Reporting
gas.
for duty.
Identify target. Orders, sir. Ready to roll out.
Piece of
Proceeding.
me, boy.
Destination. Delighted to, sir. Yes, sir.
Orders, Captain.
What do you want?
You want a piece of me, boy?
I did. No problem.
Commander, go, go, go.
Orders, sir. Ready to roll out. I dig.
Your forces are under attack. forces are under attack.
Absolutely. Moving. Destination? Yeah. Identify target.
Go, go, go.
Proceeding.
Reporting for duty. Roger that.
I read you, sir.
Orders, Captain? I read you. Orders received.
Orders, sir. Yes, sir. Delighted to, sir. Destination? Proceeding.
I read you.
Destination? Yes, sir. Absolutely. Destination? Identify target.
Your
Delighted to,
forces are
sir.
under attack.
What do you want? Yes, sir. Delighted to, sir. Yeah. Orders, sir. Moving. Proceeding.
Job finished.
Rock and roll. Standing by.
Your forces are under attack.
Moving.
Outstanding. You want a piece of me, boy?
Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
Standing by. Go, go, go. Rock and roll.
Yeah. Something on your mind?
You want a piece of me, boy?
Destination?
Orders, Captain?
Jacked up and
Yes,
good to
sir.
go.
Orders, sir.
Standing by.
Yes, sir. Delighted to, sir. Absolutely. All right. Bring it on. Proceeding.
Orders, Captain? Right away, sir.
Destination? Proceeding. Absolutely. What do you want? Orders, sir. Something on your mind?
Yes, sir. Orders received.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Destination? Proceeding. Absolutely. Move it.
Give me something to shoot.
Yes, sir.
Job
You
finished.
want a piece of me, boy?
Job orders, Captain? Reporting for duty.
Identify target.
Online.
Reporting for duty.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Affirmative. Roger that. I read you.
Add-on
What do
complete.
you
Job
want?
finished.
Oh, is that
Give me
it?
something to shoot.
Go ahead, TACOM. Systems functional.
SCV good to go, sir. Orders, Captain? Yes, sir. I read you.
You want a piece
Roger
of me,
that.
boy?
Right away, sir. Right away, sir. Orders received. Affirmative. Reporting for duty. Job
Go ahead,
finished.
TACOM.
I read you.
You want a piece of me, boy?
In the bus.
Destination?
SCV good to go, sir. Job finished. Job finished.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Yes,
Add-on
sir.
complete. Upgrade complete.
Affirmative.
Standing by. You want a piece of me, boy?
order? Hang on, we're in for some chops. In transit, HQ.
SCP good to go, sir.
I copy that. In transit, HQ. Strap yourselves in, boys.
You want a piece of me,
Buckle up.
boy?
In transit, HQ. Go ahead,
Destination.
HQ. Hang on, we're in for some chops. I copy
Job
that.
finished.
In transit, HQ. Buckle up.
Destination.
Strap yourselves in,
Your
boys.
forces are under attack.
Input coordinates. Destination, buckle up.
Commander, outstanding.
Go ahead, TACOM.
Destination,
Yeah. Destination.
Commander, let's move.
destination. I'm
Piece of me,
buckle up.
boy.
Upgrade complete.
Comlink online. TACOM locked.
Orders, sir.
Destination, in the 5. Buckle up. Input coordinates. In transit, HQ. Hang on, we're in for some
Identify
chops.
target.
Give me something to shoot.
Can I take your order?
Your forces are under attack.
Move it.
Go ahead, HQ. Strap yourselves in, boys.
Orders, sir.
Piece of
I'm
me,
listening.
boy.
Go ahead,
Standing
HQ.
by. Let's move.
Go
Outstanding.
ahead, HQ. I copy that.
Channel open.
Your forces are under attack.
Can I take your order?
Not enough energy.
I'm listening.
Your forces are under
Yes, sir.
attack.
Destination? Hang on, we're in for some chops. I'm listening.
Piece of me,
Destination? In transit, HQ.
Identify target.
Input coordinates. In the 5. Destination?
Research complete.
Jacked up and good to go. Outstanding. Let's move.
Input
Your
coordinates.
forces are under attack.
I'm listening.
Comlink online. Comlink online. Confirmed.
Destination.
Destination?
You want a
Go
piece of
ahead.
me, boy?
I copy that. Destination?
What do you want?
Your
Input
forces are
coordinates.
under attack.
Identify target. Move it.
Go ahead, HQ. I'm listening. In the 5. I copy that.
Systems functional. TACOM locked.
Your forces are under attack.
Let's move. Standing by.
I copy that.
Something on your mind?
Your forces
Destination?
are under attack.
Standing by. Go, go, go. Let's move.
Something on your mind? Orders, sir. Delighted to,
Your
sir.
forces are under attack.
Orders, sir. Delighted to, sir. Absolutely. Yeah, I'm going.
Your forces are under attack.
Oh, is that it?
Go ahead, HQ.
I reach you, sir.
Go ahead, TACOM.
Yeah?
Your forces are under attack.
Yes, sir. Delighted to, sir. Orders, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Your forces are under
Bring it
attack.
on.
Jacked up and good to go. Outstanding. Rock and roll.
Comlink online.
Your forces are under attack.
Destination?
Not enough energy.
Piece of me, boy.
Yes, sir. Proceeding.
I'm listening.
Your forces are under attack.
In the 5.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Orders, Captain? I read you. Right away, sir.
Destination?
Base is under
Input
attack.
coordinates.
Identify
Want a
target.
piece of me, boy? Let's move.
Reporting for duty.
Your forces are under attack.
Give me something to shoot.
Destination.
Standing by.
Yes, sir.
Your forces forces are under attack.
Read the waiting
Go ahead,
launch orders. Transmit coordinates.
Your forces are under
Easy,
attack.
boy. Standing by. Transmit coordinates.
Destination? Go ahead, HQ. I copy that.
Reporting for duty.
Research complete.
I read you, sir.
Read the
Reporting
waiting
for
launch
duty.
orders. Reporting in.
Yes, sir. Reporting for duty. I read you. Orders received. Roger that. Job finished. Right away, sir. Orders
Upgrade
received.
complete.
Right away, sir. I read you.
Give me something to shoot. Standing by.
Upgrade complete.
Go ahead, HQ. In the 5.
Read the waiting launch
Job
orders.
finished. Yes, sir.
Read the waiting launch
Right away,
orders.
sir.
Standing by.
Job finished.
Roger. Go ahead, Commander. Attack formation.
Job finished.
Transmit coordinates.
Orders,
Read the
Captain.
waiting launch orders. Go ahead, Commander. Attack formation. Roger. Read the waiting launch orders. Roger. Read the waiting launch orders. Sector locked in. Go ahead, Commander. Coordinates received. Sector locked in. Go ahead, Commander. Standing by. Roger. Coordinates received. Standing by. Coordinates received. Roger. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Reporting in. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Coordinates received. Sector locked
Upgrade
in.
complete.
Attack formation.
Upgrade complete.
Standing by. Reporting in. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Sector locked in. Read the waiting launch orders. Roger. Sector locked in. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Roger. Attack formation. Roger. Coordinates received. Sector locked in. Attack formation. Roger. Attack formation. Roger. Reporting in. Coordinates received. Roger. Coordinates received. Roger. Sector locked in. Coordinates received. Attack formation. Coordinates received. Roger. Sector locked in. Attack formation. Sector locked in. Reporting in. Sector locked in. Attack formation. Roger. Attack formation. Sector locked in. Reporting in. Sector locked in. Go ahead, Commander. Coordinates received. Roger. Sector locked in.
Your
Standing
forces
by.
are under attack.
Roger. Sector locked in. Standing by. Roger. Go ahead, Commander. Attack formation.
Destination? Hang on, we're in for some chop. Buckle up. I copy that.
Jacked up and good to go. I'll reach it, sir. Oh, is that it?
Destination? Input coordinates. I'm listening. In the 555.
Read the waiting launch orders. Vector locked in.
I'm listening.
Orders, sir.
Reporting in.
Destination? Input coordinates. Go ahead.
Standing by. Reporting jacked up and good to go. Reporting in. Read the waiting launch orders.
Fellow Terrans, I come to you in the wake of recent events to issue a call to reason. Let no human deny the perils of our time. While we battle one another, divided by the petty strife of our common history, the tide of a greater conflict is turning against us, threatening to destroy all that we have accomplished. It is time for us as nations and as individuals to set aside our long-standing feuds and unite. The tides of an unwinnable war are upon us, and we must seek refuge upon higher ground lest we be swept away by the flood. The Confederacy is no more. Whatever semblance of unity and protection it once provided is a phantom, a memory. With our enemies left unchecked, who will you turn to for protection? The devastation wrought by the alien invaders is self-evident. We have seen our homes and communities destroyed by the calculated blows of the Protoss. We have seen firsthand our friends and loved ones consumed by the nightmarish Zerg. Unprecedented and unimaginable though they may be, these are the signs of our time. The time has come, my fellow Terrans, to rally to a new banner. In unity lies strength. Already many of the dissident factions have joined us. Out of the many, we shall forge an indivisible whole, capitulating only to a single throne. And from that throne, I shall watch over you. From this day forward, let no human make war upon any other human. Let no Terran agency conspire against this new beginning, and let no man consort with alien powers. And to all the enemies of humanity, seek not to bar our way, for we shall win through, no matter the cost.